Hello there friends! Let's play name, place, animal, thing, but with a twist. Instead of playing the traditional name, place, animal, thing, we will play cartoon character name, capital city, animal, bird or bug and thing. Sounds good? Alright. Let's see which letter we get from the box. It's the letter A. Well, I choose A for Aladdin, who gets the magic lamp. And who comes from the magic lamp? Genie, yes. Then I choose A for Amsterdam, which is the capital city of Netherlands. Then A for Angelfish and A for ankle. So there we go. We have cartoon character Aladdin, capital city Amsterdam, animal Angelfish and thing ankle, all starting from the letter A. Come on, let's check which letter comes from the box. It's the letter D. I choose D for Dexter, the smart, intelligent boy from Dexter's lab. He has a sister whose name is Didi. Then we have D for Djibouti, which is the capital of Djibouti. Easy to remember. Then we have D for dove and D for desk. So there we go. We have cartoon character Dexter, capital city Djibouti, bird, dove and thing, desk, all starting with the letter D. Come on, let's check which letter we get from the box. It's the letter T. I choose T for Tico the squirrel from Dora the Explorer series. Then T for Tehran, which is the capital of Iran. Then T for Tapir. And T for train. So there we go. We have cartoon character Tico the squirrel, capital city Tehran, animal Tapir and thing train, all starting with the letter T. Come on, let's check which letter we get next from the box. It's the letter N. I choose N for Nobita from Doraemon series. Then N for Nassau, which is the capital of Bahamas. Then N for Numbat. And N for nest. So there we go. We have cartoon character Nobita, capital city Nassau, animal Numbat and thing nest, all starting with the letter N. Come on, let's check which letter we get next from the box. It's the letter B. I choose B for Benny the bull from Dora the Explorer series. Then B for Baghdad, which is the capital of Iraq. B for butterfly. And B for blueberry. So there we go. We have cartoon character Benny the bull, capital city Baghdad. And is that a bug? Okay, B for butterfly and think blueberry, all starting with the letter B. Come on, let's check which letter we get next from the box. It's the letter U. I choose U for Ursula. Ooh, so evil. Then U for Ulaanbaatar, which is the capital of Mongolia. Then U for Uakari. And U for Utensils. So there we go. We have cartoon character Ursula, capital city Ulaanbaatar, animal Uakari, and thing Utensils, all starting with the letter U. Come on, let's check which letter we get next from the box. It's the letter R. I choose R for Ryder from Paw Patrol. Then R for Rome, which is the capital of Italy. Then R for Ram. And R for Rope. So there we go. We have cartoon character Ryder, capital city Rome, animal Ram, and thing Rope, all starting with the letter R. Come on, let's check which letter comes next from the box. It's the letter E. I choose E for Eddy from Ed and Eddy series. Then E for Edinburgh, which is the capital of Scotland. E for Earthworm. And E for Eskimo. So there we go. We have cartoon character Eddy, capital city Edinburgh, bug, earthworm, and thing Eskimo, all starting with the letter E. Come on, let's check which letter we get next from the box. It's the letter N. I choose N for Nemo from Finding Nemo series. He is a clownfish. Then we have N for Nairobi, which is the capital of Kenya. Then N for Nighthawk. And N for Noodles. Yummy! So there we go. We have cartoon character Nemo, capital city Nairobi, bird Nighthawk, and think Noodles, all starting with the letter N. Come on, let's check which letter we get next from the box. It's the letter D. I choose D for Doraemon, the magical cat. Then D for Doha, which is the capital of Qatar. Then D for Dragonfly. And D for Dahlia. So there we go. We have cartoon character Doraemon, capital city Doha, bug Dragonfly, and thing Dahlia, all starting with the letter D. Come on, let's check which letter comes next from the box. It's the letter B. I choose B for Bot from Team Umizoomi series. And B for Bucharest, which is the capital of Romania. Then we have B for Bandicoot. And B for Bell Pepper. So there we go. We have cartoon character Bot, capital city Bucharest, animal Bandicoot, and thing Bell Pepper, all starting with the letter B. Come on, let's check which letter comes next from the box. It's the letter S. I choose S for Super Mario. Have you ever played the game? Then S for San Jose, which is the capital of Costa Rica. S for seal. And S for school. So there we go. We have cartoon character Super Mario, capital city San Jose, animal seal and thing school, all starting with the letter S. Come on, let's check which letter we get next from the box. It's the letter M. I choose M for Mowgli from the Jungle Book. Then M for Madrid, which is the capital of Spain. Then we have M for Mosquito. And M for Moon. So there we go. We have cartoon character Mowgli, capital city Madrid, bug, mosquito, and think moon, all starting with the letter M. Come on, let's check which letter we get next from the box. It's the letter C. I choose C for Chicken Little. Then C for Cairo, which is the capital of Egypt. Then C for Cockroach. Yucky. And C for Cherry. So there we go. We have cartoon character Chicken Little, capital city Cairo, bug, cockroach, and thing cherry, all starting with the letter C. Well, hope you had fun watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.